Imagine if we had a collaborative space where scientists and social scientists and practitioners, the people who actually go out and make conservation or make development actually happen, could come together in order to solve sort of the knottiest, the most tricky, the most difficult breakthrough problems to do with conservation and human development. That's what SNAP allows us to do.
SNAP is bringing together two of the world's leading conservation organizations, the Wildlife Conservation Society and the Nature Conservancy, and partnering with NCs and their experience in ecological synthesis to bring the best science to inform our decisions, our policy, and our conservation action around the world.
It's very action-oriented. It's very much about putting science into the decision space where it can actually do some good in terms of the conservation of nature and improving human welfare.
The kinds of questions the SNAP science team will tackle are, I think, some of the most important questions we in the conservation space have to deal with right now. If we can better show how conservation interventions benefit people and lead to better, sustainable economic development, that should take our work to a whole nother level.
Think about who all the different stakeholders are. National governments, local peoples, corporate sector, and then as a community, address that conservation at the appropriate scale.
But we have to go beyond just asking the questions. We have to actually implement the answers. And SNAP represents a unique opportunity to bring diverse groups of people together to not only ask the right questions, but implement the solutions.
We bring together economists, politicians, hydrologists, engineers, and biologists with people who live and work in the field. When you bring science from so many different areas together with people who are facing the problems of the field, and you give them a sense of urgency, it can make all the difference in the world.
What matters most at the end of the day is making sure people have the opportunity for a better life without destroying the environment, without destroying nature on which we all survive and depend on.